Welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andre Angelkovsky. We're back in East York, the Triplex. This is the final reveal. You saw the before. I'll throw in some clips of the before so you can get an idea of what the before looked like and what it looks like now. Massive, massive transformation. We are in East York. What we did here was we took a bungalow and we converted it into a two-story, a very large two-story triplex. Now in East York, when you're in certain locations, certain areas, the zoning does not allow for triplexes. So what the owner had to do is they had to go to a committee of adjustments and get it rezoned, which is a more complex procedure, process, but they actually got it approved very, very smoothly. They worked with a great team that got it done. So now he's got a legal triplex, and let me just go through this with you. The budget to renovate this place was $460,000. The basement, okay, it was dug out. It's completely open concept, gorgeous. Like we're in it right now. Great kitchen here, opened up to the family room, living room right in front of me, and we have 2 bedrooms in the back, in-floor heating. This apartment is gorgeous. Now, unfurnished, this would go for probably $2,000 to $2,200 a month. Then when we go to the main floor, which is from the side of the house, now I don't know if you guys remember how it looked like before, but now they have a nice stairwell that goes up, and it's a grand, massive ceilings up there. It's an open concept kitchen and living room, 2 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, a phenomenal laundry area that I just find so rare when you have a sink, side-by-side laundry, cabinetry, a nice walkout to a beautiful large deck and large backyard. This place would rent for probably about $2,700 unfurnished. And you'll see why I'm saying unfurnished in a second, in a few moments. Then we go into the upper unit, which is a nice grand entrance up the stairwell, and then you see this beautiful cathedral ceiling, open concept again, kitchen and living room. You walk out to the front of the house and this nice deck, glass railing. And then you go into the back where again, 2 bedrooms, large, 2 washrooms, and another phenomenal laundry area. So, let me talk to you about some numbers on there. That's approximately, unfurnished would be about $3,000 a month. So, gross monthly, that's $8,000 a month plus utilities, because remember, there's 3 separate hydro meters and 3 separate gas meters. The tenants are responsible for all the utilities. Now for the best part, okay? The owner has decided that they're gonna furnish the place and rent it via Airbnb. Now let me give you some numbers to just mull over, okay? I said unfurnished, this place would rent for $8,000 a month. Furnished, he's getting close to $12,000 a month. $12,000, that's $4,000 more a month. Now you might be thinking, well, it costs them a lot to furnish it. Hang on, let me tell you something. He furnished 3 units. Now, mind you, this could cost you $50,000, but it could also cost you a lot less if you are really good with shopping and understanding what to buy, how to buy it. It costs them $20,000 to furnish 3 of these units. So, how long will it take him to pay that off? 5 months. $4,000 of extra cash flow he's getting, times 5 months is $20,000. After that, it's all gravy in his pocket. I just find that phenomenal. Congratulations to the owner. Guys, this is an amazing triplex, a great model piece for people, for investors who want to learn. If you have any questions about the rezoning, of how they're getting that type of rents, about the renovations, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to chat. Have a great day.